Hello everyone! Today we're exploring the Crocuses Hand Dibber, a tool designed to simplify your planting tasks. Let's look into its features, usage, and performance. The Crocuses Hand Dibber is crafted to assist gardeners in creating precise holes for seeds, bulbs, and seedlings. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic T-shaped handle offers comfort during use. Engraved depth measurements on the dibber help achieve consistent planting depths, promoting healthy plant growth. Sight turn 0, search 6. Using the Crocuses Hand Dibber is straightforward. Grip: hold the T-shaped handle comfortably in your hand. Position: place the pointed end on the soil where you intend to plant. Press: apply downward pressure to create a hole to the desired depth, guided by the engraved measurements. Plant: insert your seed or bulb into the hole. Cover: gently refill the hole with soil and pat down to secure. Let's focus on the design of the product. Material: made from stainless steel, the dibber is resistant to rust and built to last. Handle: the T-shaped design provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Measurements: depth markings on the shaft allow for precise planting, ensuring uniform growth. Now let's talk about the performance part of the product. Gardeners have found the Crocuses Hand Dibber to be a reliable tool for planting seeds and bulbs. Each product has their pros and cons. Let's look at the pros first. Durable stainless steel build. Comfortable ergonomic handle. Engraved depth measurements for accuracy. Now let's weight con. May require additional effort in extremely compacted soils. Customers have left a lot of feedback regarding the product. Let's look at some of them. The Crocuses Hand Dibber is a valuable addition to any gardener's toolkit, offering durability and precision in planting. Its thoughtful design caters to both novice and experienced gardeners, making planting more efficient and enjoyable. After carefully considering the features, pros and cons, and the customer feedback, we'd rate this tool a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. How about you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening reviews.